In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the address format in Zoho Invoice, whether you're looking to tailor your invoice details to fit your brand's unique style or just make your business processes more efficient. This step-by-step guide will help you achieve a customized address format with ease. Let's jump right into it. Firstly, you'll need to head over to your Zoho Invoice dashboard. You can do this by logging into your account and navigating to the main dashboard page. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Settings icon. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings section is where you can control and configure various options for your account, making it an essential stop for any customization you want to make. After clicking on Settings, you'll notice a list of options. What we're interested in today is General Preferences. This is where you'll find many of the broader configuration settings that affect your account globally. By clicking on General Preferences, a new page will open up displaying various settings related to your Zoho Invoice account. Now, you need to locate the section titled Organization Address Format. This is the area where you can modify and customize how addresses appear on your invoices, quotes, and credits. It's perfect for when you need your addresses to align with a specific format required by your clients or regional conventions. Once you've found the Organization Address Format section, direct your attention to the Insert Placeholders button. This function is a fantastic feature that lets you add dynamic data fields into your address format. Placeholders allow you to automatically fill in details like customer name, address lines, city, postal code, and more from your records. After clicking the Insert Placeholders button, you'll see a list of available placeholders. You can select from these options to build a custom address layout that meets your needs. Simply choose the placeholders that are relevant to your desired format, and they will be inserted into your address format template. You can rearrange them as needed, ensuring that the final output is exactly what you're looking for. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement and content of your placeholders, it's vital to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will ensure that all your modifications are retained and applied to future invoices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively customized the address format in Zoho Invoice. This tailored approach not only enhances your business documents, but also streamlines your process, making professional communications that much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this customization feature as useful as it is flexible. If you have any questions or would like to explore more functionalities, don't hesitate to drop a comment below.